Hi seniors, welcome to what will be a new series that 12 Plus is running around scholarships. So far this school year, we send you a new scholarship every Wednesday on Win It Wednesday to your email and on Instagram. But we are going to start posting weekly videos around scholarships. The reason we're making videos for these scholarships is first, because all of them are local to Philadelphia, which means that your chances of winning them are increased. Instead of competing against people all over the US applying to them, you're only competing against local Philadelphia students, which means you have a better chance of winning. The second reason we're doing this is because all of these scholarships have been won by past 12 plus students and even students from Kensington High School class of 2020. So these scholarships have been won by students just like you. So stay tuned every week for a new video about a new scholarship, and then reach out to your 12 plus advisor to get the application done and to win yourself some money. We'll see you next week.